USI Insurance Services is an insurance brokerage, which means that we actually sell insurance. We partner with our clients and we go out to market to the various insurance companies across the country to locate the appropriate insurance for their business.
USI has been using ePayPolicy for digital payments for around 2 months across the organization, but we have a segment that's been using it for several years now.
Prior to digital payments, our biggest payment headache would be actually getting the payments in the door. So the slowdowns with the post office and having people there to post the payments. With the digital payments, we've kind of alleviated both of those problems.
It was both an internal and external decision for us because internally we needed a method to speed up our processes, and external demand just because clients are ready to move into a digital payment world.
USI's biggest concern in accepting digital payments was actually ensuring the adoption of the process. So we were concerned about a client going out to a website that wasn't a USI website. Would they actually convert over and be willing to do that? Some of the concerns that came up that really guided us towards ePay was the integration with our actual Sagitta system. So having a system that's integrated directly into Sagitta really does allow for a lot of efficiencies, not only for us as an organization, but actually external to our clients also. Our client response has been overwhelmingly positive. They have had a great experience. They really appreciate the ability to actually pay by credit card, which was not an option that we had available before going with ePay.
The ePayPolicy team was able to pick up, integrate with us seamlessly, and make it where it all flows without issue.
We went from what would have been maybe to process one item 15 to 20 minutes to literally a process of 30 minutes for the entire processing day. So it has really proved the efficiencies of our cash receipt processing team. Our advice to other insurance agencies that are skeptical about switching over to ePay is to ask a lot of questions. Make those questions very specific to your organization, listen to the answers, and do the demo. We really did have to see it work in the process and let the process flow through in order to really get comfortable with it. And so I would say, just do it. Just go through the process and do it.
We have so many more processes. We would love ePayPolicy to help us integrate.